People say parallel universes like it's one clean idea. It's not. There are multiple multiverse theories, and they're not all about evil versions of you with a goatee. Let's break down a few big ones. Type 1, the infinite universe. If the universe is infinite, then eventually every possible arrangement of atoms has to repeat. So somewhere out there's a version of you wearing Crocs and running a hot dog stand on Mars. Type 2, bubble universes. In some versions of cosmic inflation theory, our universe is just one bubble in a giant cosmic foam. Each bubble equals its own universe, possibly with completely different laws of physics. In one, gravity might push instead of pull. Weird, but mathematically not impossible. Type 3, quantum multiverse. This is the one where every decision you make splits reality. You eat pizza in one, salad in another. The math behind quantum mechanics kind of allows this. It's controversial, but not ruled out. Type 4, brain multiverse. String theory says our universe might be a 3D brain floating in a higher dimensional space. Other brains could be nearby, like pages in a cosmic book. Sometimes they collide. Okay, pause. Why do actual scientists, like PhDs with lab coats and anxiety, take this seriously? Turns out some of the weirdest parts of science kind of force us to. First up, quantum mechanics. At the tiniest level, particles don't act like tiny marbles. They act like possibilities, doing multiple things at once until we observe them. It's called superposition principle. One particle, multiple states. So how do you explain that? One answer. All those possibilities actually happen, but in different universes. So yeah, scientists don't talk about multiverse because it's cool. They talk about it because physics kind of drags them there. So who actually came up with this parallel universe idea? Fast forward to the 20th century. In 1957, a Princeton grad student named Hugh Everett looked at quantum physics and said, wait, what if every possible outcome actually happens, just in different universes? The many worlds interpretation was born. His professors hated it. One called it too philosophical. The physics world ignored him for years. The coherence theory comes in the 1970s, and suddenly, Everett's idea starts to make actual mathematical sense. Now it's in textbooks. And then you have Alan Guth in 1980s with cosmic inflation, which accidentally suggested bubble universes. He was trying to explain why space is so smooth, and instead may have explained why reality is a big foamy mess. So yeah, the multiverse don't start as science fiction. It started as science being confused. Alright, before we all start building interdimensional passports, let's talk about the problems. Problem 1. We can't test it. If other universes exist, they don't interact with ours. No signals, no visits. You can't point a telescope at Earth too. So right now, it's not feasible. Problem 2. It's kinda lazy. Some physicists argue multiverse is used to explain everything we don't understand. Like, why does the universe have the perfect conditions for life? Multiverse answer, there are infinite universes. We just live in the lucky one.